Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Canva and signing in. This keeps your design history and assets available. Choose a template or set the canvas size first, because results and filters adapt to layout. Once done, select the Elements or Photos tab to reach the search bar. This focuses Canva on images rather than icons or text. Make sure device permissions are enabled if you plan to upload photos, otherwise you can only use Canva assets. You type concise, descriptive keywords like Sunset Beach Wide, because Canva ranks relevancy by terms. Then apply filters, orientation for layout, color to match your palette, and license type to avoid paid assets if needed. Once refined, preview images on the canvas to assess composition and scale. If results are sparse, broaden synonyms or remove a filter. Conversely, tighten terms to reduce noise. This iterative approach, you add the chosen image to your canvas and immediately refine it using crop, flip, masks, and handles to control focus and framing. Once placed, tweak opacity and blend modes so the image integrates with text and other elements. Use rulers and snapping to align precisely. If you can't find what you need, clear filters and research, correct spelling errors, or upload your own photo. This usually fixes missing results. One tip: check the asset's license if you plan to publish or sell the design.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.